in red. Back in red. I'm feeling sad. My bags just got fucking violated. You know? But, yeah, Jerry's, let's look at this real quick, you know? It's got the volume. The volume has been consistent with Jerry. That's one thing I want to point out before I really talk about anything else. The volume has been consistently around 10 million, which is very good considering the market cap is only 5, you know? So the volume has been almost double the market cap. That's bullish. Now, let's look at some of these comments on CoinMarketCap, all right? Big news for Jerry fam. JYAI is officially bridging to the BNB chain. This means more liquidity, bigger trading opportunities, lower fees, faster, cheaper transactions, new community, access to a whole new wave of BNB traders. Yeah, some of these guys are saying on here being bearish. Oh, next stop 1.2 million. Don't think so. Don't think so. I'm giga bullish on this project. Let's look at their Twitter real quick. First of all, get my head out the way here. It's been a while since I made a video on Jerry. As I've mentioned before, they have a billboard in LA. This whole BNB bridging thing going on, that's kind of bullish, you know. Crypto Galaxy, he's been posting a lot about Jerry. You know, these big influencers. You got big people talking about Jerry the Turtle. That's bullish. Let's look at the chart. Let's look at the chart. This thing is ugly. It's looking kind of bullish on the smaller time frames right now. On the 15-minute, back above the 21-day moving average. Looks like it's wanting to come and reclaim that 200. And if that's the case, that's a bullish signal. You know, that's what you call a golden cross when that 21 crosses above the 200. Now looking at the higher time frames, what's it doing? What's it doing? What's it doing? Okay, here we go. Yeah, everything right. It still looks bearish on the 4-hour, the daily. Right now, you're just gonna really be trying to find these to find the bottoms with these things with these smaller time frames. That's really how I do it. And this looks like it could be the bottom right here. But who am I? I'm just a construction worker, you know. But this thing got destroyed. It's in a great time to be accumulating Jerry the Turtle. I am not gonna lie about that. Now let me just go into read a few more of these comments. I do want to say, do I think this thing could 100x? Yes. Yes, especially from where it's at right now, which would put it at a $500 million market cap. Honestly, this thing can go to $1 billion and be a 200x, which is insane. It's insane to sit here and talk about this stuff, and people probably think I'm full of crap because the price action. Well, you guys know there's liquidity. It's coming, all right? When they cut interest rates, it takes a little time for the stuff to trickle down into the markets. These market makers are going to try and scare people out before that gets here so they can make all the money that you were supposed to make, you know? So don't be an idiot. If you're going to sell Jerry, don't do it at a loss. At least wait until you're broke even or something, you know? Because I'm still in giga profits on Jerry. I mean, because I was accumulating this. I'm still up 5x basically. So I'm not really, you know, I'm not too upset. It is what it is. You know what you signed up for when you started buying these meme coins, guys. But I do just also want to point out their website is beautiful. I mean, look at this. It just looks good. There's Jerry smashing the buy button. Also, I didn't know they were audited. Let me click here off here. It says audited by Solid Proof. I did not know that until today, actually. But yeah, as I've talked about previous videos, they are getting lots of listings, and they want to get the final phase would be the Coinbase and the first studio release, which is something to do with the Netflix deal. And there's some kind of Netflix deal they're working on. Let me see how many exchanges this thing is on. Let's just see. Let's go to page 4. Because the last page usually is never just bullshit usually. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's go. Have we really got that many exchanges, my guy? 46? Bro. 46 fucking exchanges and the market cap's 5 million? Oh my lord. But yeah, that's got me kind of excited, you know? It's a lot of exchanges for a small market cap, and I think it could send. This thing is probably one of the easiest 100x's I'm ever going to make. The community, it's got a good team, it's got everything, you know? And also, before I close this video, I do want to share of something I did see on their Twitter. See on here, okay, it says, in a direct show of confidence amid a wider market pullback, the developer of JYAI announced, I, as a dev, will be putting $100,000 into the market during these hard times to support JYAI's chart. So they actually bought $100,000 their own project. And what else did I see on here? Yeah, they're just pointing out, despite a recent dip, JYAI the Turtle continues to show remarkable strength with over 11 million in trading volume. I pointed out at first thing when I started this video. I've been watching that volume. Exchanges look at volume. It shows interest. If people are buying and selling it, there's going to be volume. So exchanges make money off volume. When people buy and sell, they make small fees. So if there's lots of volume, they want these coins listed. It's simple as that. All right, so I saw something else about something about him buying, people wanting to sell or de-risk from JYAI, he would buy it directly from them or something. I don't know. I've just never seen stuff like this from a meme coin, you know? It just gives me pretty good indicators that this thing might send, you know? This JYAI the Turtle might actually change my life. Pretty crazy to say that. People ask me when I'm in a new house, oh man, what'd you do? You do this off construction? No, actually I bought this house off JYAI the Turtle. Where's the, you know, there it is. I almost forgot the button. Yeah, bro, I bought this house off JYAI. But you know, it's funny, but you know, we're manifesting it, guys. JYAI the Turtle could buy us a new fucking house. But anyways, if you guys are getting any value from me, please like and subscribe. And guys, hold down the fort. Stay bullish out here. If you would like to join my small community, I will drop the Discord in the description. The general chat's free. Paid subscription is $6 a month. So if you like these videos and you want to see more of them, sign up for my Discord. It's, you know, directly supporting me in the channel. So with that being said, guys, hold down the fort. You know, I have a feeling this is probably the bottom. We will see. It is Sunday. I don't know. When I start seeing things like this, start seeing that 21 come back. I mean, the price is above the 21. So I don't know. We will see. We need to reclaim that 200 to really confirm the reversal at this point. I'm not a TA expert by any means, but I'm not that bad at it. I'm just used to the moving averages, and it's been working out pretty good for me. But guys, hold down the fort, boys.